Hi, my name's Anne Ogden and welcome to the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. So, today we're going to make a really delicious summer salad, and it uses farro, which is a kind of wheat. And what's great about this salad is it's actually no cook. All we really do is just soak the farro. And this actually is the same amount, but when it soaks, it kind of doubles in size. And so I'm going to drain this in a minute. And we're going to mix with this a whole slew of like summery vegetables like corn, tomato, some celery, scallions, radishes, all just delicious, light, crunchy stuff. And I'm going to start off by making the dressing, and we're just going to put everything into it. Now the radishes, by the way, are just diced, and I'll just show you how to do that quickly. This top and tail, cut the tops and the tails off, cut them in half, and then cut them into like 3 slices long ways, and then it helps to have a sharp knife to do this. Okay, and then across. So you just get these cute little dices. And what's nice about this is that it ends up making these little crunchy bits which are about the same size as the rinsed farro. So that's how you dice a radish. Okay, let me just drain this and I'll just mix the salad together. And now, as you can see, it's the same thing, but it's got much bigger, and it's soft now. It's chewy. And I just happen to just love it like that. Okay, so let's start with the salad dressing. Now, this is a really simple salad dressing, and you can use it for other salads if you want. You could use it for a lettuce salad if you wanted to. So this is lemon juice, and there's about 2 teaspoonfuls there. Now I'm going to put some salt into that, and I'm going to show you, this is the secret ingredient for this salad. These are pink peppercorns. Now we're going to put these in whole, because unlike black peppercorns or white peppercorns, they're soft. You can literally just crush them with your fingers, and they have this really great aromatic taste. And putting them into the dressing at this point will put that flavor into the dressing. Plus, in the salad, they look really pretty, you know. It's always great when something looks pretty and tastes nice. So I'm just going to eyeball in the olive oil. For the salad dressings, like, it's 1 acid, like the lemon juice in this case, to 1 olive oil. So I'm going to start putting in the veggies. These are cherry tomatoes. If you have really delicious ripe beefsteak tomatoes, you can dice them and put them in. So I'm going to put those in. Okay. Let's get a spoon, a couple of spoons to knock it together. Then I'm going to put in the radishes. Some celery. This is just diced the same way. Scallions. And these are the scallions like this. All I've used is the white part. And by the way, to dice a scallion, you cut this part off here, and then you just slit it up the middle and then just cut it across. Now, this is one of the loveliest ways to use fresh summer corn. This is raw. At the moment it's so sweet that it really doesn't need anything else. And now a couple of tablespoons of chopped parsley. Now, one of the reasons I'm putting all of this in now before I put the farro in, that all of this now is flavoring the dressing. That very basic lemon olive oil dressing that we put in there to start with. Right, now I'm going to put in the farro, which I let drain a little bit, so. A little bit, but I think we can do all of it here. Right, I was going to chop a little bit more parsley to put on top of that. I'm not going to worry too much about the stems, it's going to. There we go. That's it. Just needed a little bit more of that. And that is a summery farro salad.